Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can convert a PDF file to JPG. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, you need to go to this website called ilovepdf.com/pdf to JPG. Then you will go to this page. I will leave the link in the description. And don't worry, it's completely free. Then click on select PDF to upload your PDF from your desktop or your folders, or you can drag it and drop it here. You can also upload it from Google Drive or from Dropbox. For me, I will select PDF file and I will choose this one, for example. And here, if you have a PDF that contains only one image, keep it here, page to JPG, just one. But if your PDF file has multiple images, click on extract images here. Then click on convert to JPG. Then wait for a moment, as you can see. And you can click on download JPG images. You can share it on Google Drive, or you can share it on Dropbox, or you can share it as a link, and you can delete it, of course. Click on start download, click open, and as you can see, these are the images on the PDF file. For example, this one, and this one, and this one, as you can see. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.